So hello everyone. Let's welcome to Tragedy Solutions. So today let's talk about the trial of Go High Level. So I just signed into a trial in Go High Level. So I've got this message. So it says 14 days free trial ends on June 8th. At that time, we automatically renew 97 per month unless you cancel. So make sure you cancel your subscription before June 8th, on or before June 8th. And also, if you want to cancel, go to, there is two option here. So, go to, select, go to switch to agency view. I'm not sure why it has two options, but the other option doesn't have the cancel subscription. So, and then go to settings and then billing. So as you can see here, want to modify or cancel subscription. So there's an option here. I still want to cancel a subscription. So for now I don't want to cancel because I just signed in. So let's see. So that's it. So I'm pretty sure. So based on their what they put here, I assume that you will not pay anything on or before your due date, which is for me, my due date is June 8th. Don't forget, make sure you put notification on your phone because sometimes we're too busy and we forgot to cancel the subscription. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.